Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a design for t-shirt on Canva. It's free. I know it's unique, but I will show you how the steps and it's very easy. So open the Chrome browser, select your profile, and in the URL box you have to search for canva.com. You can search on Google directly, but I will tell you the website. Open the Canva website. Now, after logging on the website, you have to use a free account. You can use your Gmail account for logging on Canva. As you can see, I've done it here. And then after logging on the Canva website, go to create design option. Now in the search list, you have to search for t-shirt. Type t-shirt and you will see this t-shirt and open it. Now I will show you these are the mockups. You can use your t-shirt design if you are a entrepreneur or any manufacturer. Now just see the logos, man, it's so dope. For example, I want to make a dragon t-shirt design, so I will search. Damn, it's so freaking awesome, and they are look so cool. Damn boy, you can create hundreds different type of t-shirt ideas according to your need. Damn man, it looks so cool. So you can see this dope designs. You can also change the text by clicking on here. You can change the text color by changing it to any one you want it. For example, I want to create into black, so I will choose a black color and this one is changed. You can also change into red color according to your need, and this one is changed. You can change the text font by clicking on here, change its text size, and after creating all the modifier, just go to this share option and click on download, then maximize the size and click on download option, and your design will be downloaded. So guys, this was a video on how to create a t-shirt design using Canva. I hope you like it.